Hello and welcome to our video on the top 20 AI tools that you may not have heard of yet. Artificial intelligence has been transforming many industries, and these tools can help you get a competitive edge in your work. So, without further ado, let's dive in. 1. Ayasdi. Ayasdi is a machine intelligence platform that can help you discover hidden patterns in complex datasets. 1. It can help you gain insights into your business and make more informed decisions. 2. H2O.ai. H2O.ai is a machine learning platform that makes it easy to build predictive models. 2. It has a simple interface that allows you to train models with your data and deploy them quickly. 3. DataRobot. DataRobot is an automated machine learning platform that can help you build and deploy models quickly. 3. It uses machine learning algorithms to automate the process of model building, so you don't need to be an expert in data science to use it. 4. Xnor.ai. Xnor.ai is an edge AI platform that can help you deploy machine learning models on low-power devices. 4. It allows you to run machine learning models directly on your devices, which can help you save bandwidth and reduce latency. 5. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning library developed by Google. 5. It can help you build and train machine learning models, and it has a large community of users and developers. 6. PyTorch. PyTorch is another open-source machine learning library that is popular among researchers and practitioners. 6. It is known for its dynamic computation graph and ease of use. 7. Keras. Keras is a high-level neural networks API that can run on top of TensorFlow or other machine learning frameworks. 7. It allows you to build and train deep learning models quickly and easily. 8. Caffe. Caffe is a deep learning framework developed by Berkeley Al Research, BAIR. 8. It is optimized for image recognition tasks and has a large community of users. 9. Torch. Torch is a scientific computing framework that can be used for machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. 9. It has a Lua scripting language and is known for its flexibility. 10. Theano. Theano is another scientific computing framework that is optimized for deep learning tasks. 10. It can be used to build and train neural networks, and it is known for its speed and efficiency. 11. MXNet. MXNet is a deep learning framework developed by Amazon. 11. It is designed to be scalable and can run on multiple GPUs and even across multiple machines. 12. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a machine learning library for Python. 12. It provides a wide range of machine learning algorithms and tools for data analysis and visualization. 13. OpenCV. OpenCV is a computer vision library that can help you build applications that can interpret and analyze images and video streams. 13. It has a wide range of functions for image and video processing, and it is used in many industries, including robotics and healthcare. 14. DeepFaceLab. DeepFaceLab is a deep learning software for face swapping and editing. 14. It can be used to create realistic face swaps in videos and images. 15. DeepDream. DeepDream is a computer vision algorithm developed by Google. 15. It can be used to create psychedelic images by manipulating the feature detection of a neural network. 16. GPT-3. GPT-3 is a language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text. 16. It has been used to generate news articles, poetry, and even code. 17. AllenNLP. AllenNLP is a natural language processing library that can help you build and evaluate models for text classification, question answering, and other NLP tasks. 18. spaCy. spaCy is another natural language processing library that can help you build applications that can understand and analyze textual data. 18. It has a wide range of features for text processing, including named entity recognition and part-of-speech tagging. 19. Weka. Weka is a machine learning library and data mining tool. 19. It has a graphical user interface that can help you visualize your data and build models quickly and easily. 20. RapidMiner. RapidMiner is a data science platform that can help you build and deploy predictive models. 20. It has a wide range of tools for data preparation, modeling, and deployment, and it can be used in many industries, including healthcare and finance. So, there you have it, our top 20 AI tools that you may not have heard of yet. Whether you're a data scientist, a developer, or just someone who wants to learn more about AI, these tools can help you get started and gain insights into your data. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Like for our motivation. Share with your family and friends. And subscribe for getting notification of new videos.